Hey students, this is your hints video for lesson 7.5 on scale drawings. So our first few problems, we have this scale factor of 1 to 12, which means that our actual item, whatever it is 12 times as long or as wide as the model of that item. So I picked two examples, 12 and 13, one of which has the same units, inches to inches, and one of which has different units. So we're going to start these the same way. If the scale factor is 1 to 12, we're going to write a ratio where the model is on top and the actual is on the bottom, because if the model is 1, the actual is 12 times that size. Now we're going to solve this proportion. We're going to use cross product, so 1 times x is x, and 12 times 6.25, I'll use my calculator here, 12 times 6.25 is 75. Now, if this was 6.25 inches, then I'm solving for x in inches as well. So what I'm saying is that the actual mattress is 75 inches. And this one, because it asks for it in inches, I'm done. Number 13, we're going to start the same way. 1 over 12 equals the model, which this time we don't know, over the actual, which is 15 feet. But this time, when I solve, I'm going to find x in feet, but I can see that my actual answer, I will need to convert to inches. So this is going to add one more step on this one. So I can solve this using cross products as well. 12 times x is 12x. 1 times 15 is 15. I'll divide by 12. And 15 divided by 12 is 1.25. So this is 1.25 feet. To make it inches, I need to multiply by 12, and I get that's 15 inches. So if I have two different units, I need to solve for it in one unit, and then I will convert. Okay. Next, I have number 18, and this is this problem with the ship, and we need to find the scale of the drawing. So we have this ruler here, and if we line it up, I've kind of put my ruler down below so it's not blocking the picture, but if you move this up and put it right underneath and really line it up, you'll see that this is exactly 4 centimeters. So the length of the segment is 4 centimeters. So that means the scale is 4 centimeters to 120 meters. Every 4 centimeters represents 120 meters. And then just like a fraction, we're going to simplify this if we can. We don't want fractions or decimals in it, but if we can simplify with whole numbers, we'll do that. So we can simplify and say every 1 centimeter then on the ruler, on the model, will represent 30 meters on the actual ship. So the scale is 1 centimeter to 30 meters. All right, and then my last one here, I have this Central Park drawing, and we want to measure how long this is. And I kind of lined up the ruler along the bottom to see that the length of this model of Central Park is 12.5 centimeters. It goes right to here. So I'm just going to draw a little model of the park here. This is 12.5 centimeters. And of course the top is also 12.5 centimeters. And then when we measure it this direction, it's 2.5 centimeters. Okay, so the perimeter, that's for part A, the perimeter will be 12.5 plus 2.5, and then all of that times 2, because I need to go all the way around the park. Okay, so 12.5 plus 2.5 is 15 times 2. So that means the perimeter of the scale drawing is 30 centimeters. The area of the scale drawing will be 12.5 times 2.5, which is, oops, 12.5 times 2.5. Okay, so that is 31.25 square centimeters. So that's all about the scale drawing. Now, let me switch colors as I switch to the real park. So the actual perimeter of the park, well, so we need to figure out what are these lengths, what are these distances in the real park? Well, we're told that the scale is 1 centimeter in the drawing represents 320 meters in the actual park. So let's go ahead and find the actual length. If the scale drawing length is 12.5 centimeters, oops, I put that in the wrong spot. Hold on. We're trying to find the actual length, so that needs to go on the bottom. So this is 12.5 centimeters, and we need to find how many meters. So we can solve this using cross products. 1 times x is x. 320 times 12.5 is 4,000 meters. So that's this distance right here, 4,000 meters. Okay, and then we have the width of the park. We're going to use the same scale. 1 centimeter represents 320 meters. And we had 2.5 centimeters on the scale drawing. We need to find out how many meters that is. If we use cross products, 1 times x is x, and 320 times 2.5 is 800 meters. So now we have the actual dimensions. So the perimeter will be 4,000 plus 800, all of that times 2, and I'll let you do the computation there. The area will be 4,000 times 800, and that'll of course be in square meters.